For this same project you need only lace fabric. Fold your fabric in half in triangle shape. Bottom of the triangle must be length of your hip circumference plus some at least 2 cm seam allowance. And cut in half. For this project we need only one part, so other part we're gonna leave for other DIY project, and this one we're gonna use now. Top rough edge we just cut, fold twice, 1 cm, and again 1 cm, pin and sew with stretch stitch. After sewing, of course, I recommend to press with iron flat for clean and neat look. Other part of our triangle, we're gonna fold in half. Again, fold in half. And cut straps. 2 straps with 4 cm and length at least 70 cm. It's totally optional, but you can trim off those irregular ends of your straps. Fold your straps with right sides together. Pin and sew with straight stitch, creating beautiful straps. After sewing your straps, don't forget to press them with iron flat. Now we're gonna pin our straps to both ends of our, let's call it, belt dress. And so creating this envelope stitch. Pin the straps to both ends exactly the same way and sew them exactly the same way too. And this is how the straps will look like after sewing. And tada! Your belt skirt is ready!